Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on passwordless payment on Bitget Wallet. Enabling passwordless payment streamlines your transactions, making them quicker and more convenient. So, let's get started on how to turn on passwordless payment on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. From the list that appears, find and tap on the Advanced Settings option. Now look for the Passwordless Payment option in the settings. Tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. You will be asked to enter your PIN code for verification. Enter the PIN code. Once the switch turns blue, it means passwordless payment is successfully enabled. And this is how you can turn on passwordless payment on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.